Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Hadin kejing Pynbna kum ke People's College House nam arjar apuar. Katrak puli puthi jong sorkar jala haka arp khandai terik nai luar arja apulai. Ka Pynbna pajma baklada ban mang pisah hado arp sautli ki post mai hapo ka Sngap Syiem College. Ban menta kini college kaladan hado sausan tli ki post bala mang pisah dak sorkar jala. Haba keren haka jingalang ka blalong ha Sngap Syiem College mau kurwat. Menteri katrak puli puthi Rakkam Sangma. Ula ai kejing ro yu amil jong mau kurwat umba renik ton tongkhar halor kejing bud dien jong nakabenta ban pinolong ya shibun kejing don kam jong ni ka college usangma ula ai tiru ya kejing Pynbna ha principal jong Sngap Syiem College u Dr. Kiki nong siet bat ha ni kejuk usngi la pun ku buram ki samla puli jong ka college ki bala job ha ka nihu inter college Atlantic kabala long hanong ba shlong.
He kept track of the file of the sanction, where it was, what was going, where it was lying. Then he put a word to the Honourable Minister. Honourable Minister left for Delhi. There the responsibility was on my head. Then there was series of WhatsApp messaging from Sir, no Sid. This is the file, this is happening there, that is happening there. And it was also my responsibility that we can't come empty now. You know. And if our hands were empty, then we would have driven straight to the Maharam school. But like I told you, there was turn of events. The main actor was the honourable principal. So things happened. God's grace, and we should thank God that He has placed everything in line, that this college is blessed today with the announcement that our Honourable Minister is going to make. I am proud of this college, to be very honest. While having tea, I was mentioning that I have seen two colleges in the West Kashmir, which are very promising, which I really look up to. As advisor of the department, it's my job, my duty to advise my minister, to advise the government, and also observe and oversee. So when I observed, I found two colleges. Number one, the Knoxton College. Number two, the Sngap Syiem College. These two colleges are going to be the seat of learning for this whole West and Southwest Kashmir district. And it is a boon for the youths of these two districts.
Very difficult. So many excuses will be there to get things done in a short time. And one of the problems that we face is that the dealing officer, he is not there, he was on leave for this reason, for that reason, and the file get delayed. And during my time as minister, I have to pass one order, I bring out one official order stating that no file should stop waiting for any officer who is not in station. All files should move to the higher authority, to the higher level, if the officer is not in station. I thought that I have done wise idea, but looking at you, you have done better, sir. Because to get things done at this very short time, in 3 months' time, it is really not a matter of joke. So I want to congratulate on the leadership of the young and dynamic Minister of Education. We can see changes.
If we have our own resources, why should we eat the food that came from Jalan? Therefore, it's time for us to grow us. It's a time for us, our institutions, for us to prepare our own windows, our own labang, our own all the Sangma, to look after our state, to substitute. They are here to substantiate us. Since we don't have resources for temporary, but for the long run, we should take over. That it's a time for the institutions to take on the challenges. Let it be challenge to each one of us to replace all this. We should produce more IAS officers today. We should produce more IPS, more professors, more scientists. State going to have a state-owned university from next academic session. Who will be vice chancellor? Who will be the professor? If not from Lapang, Sangma, and all this, it should be from our state. But having said so, we should also be prepared ourselves well to be fit to suit in that position. Not only in the state, we should go serve in any parts of the country. I'm happy there is one lady from Ceylon who is working as a professor in King University, Bangalore. There is one IPS officer from Ceylon who is a superintendent of police in Bangalore. There are many professors working across the country. We should produce more and more. And our institutions should not just limited only to Meghalayas and the Northeast. No. Our mindset, our thinking should be prepared to anywhere on the earth.